Hi, first graders. Today is Sun Safety Day 1. So the first thing in your Sun Safety packet is a hot dog experiment. So it says hot dog. Does sunscreen really work? So this is going to be an experiment. You can do it at home, but I'm also going to post a video that you'll see below that has me doing this experiment at my house. So the question is, what will happen when a hot dog is coated in sunscreen? So you need to record your hypothesis. What do you think will happen? What do you think will happen if a hot dog is coated in sunscreen? Okay, so that's all you need to do for now. So go ahead and skip the next page and then watch the video later of the experiment being done. Okay? Then the next page you're going to go to is Save Your Skin right here. So it says put a plate of grapes out in the sun and see what happens. So unfortunately, we can't do this at school. So you can do it at your house if you want to. So day 1, it's going to look like normal grapes. And then you're going to write a description of what it looks like. And then day 3, I want you to draw a new picture and tell me what it looks like. And then day 5, I want you to tell me what it looks like. So don't put sunscreen on the grapes. Just see what happens when you leave it out. Then the next page says what happened. So what happened to the grapes? Tell me about what happened when they were left in the sun. Then why do you think what happened did happen? And then the last question is, how is this investigation similar to the sun, what sun can do to your skin? Okay, the last page in your packet, second to last page, is called Closed Up Comprehension. So you're going to read the sentences below and then fill in the bubble of the vocabulary word that completes the sentence. Our first sentence says, sunscreen, an umbrella, and sunglasses all help to blank you from the sun, prevent you from the sun visor you from the sun, or protect you from the sun. So circle the correct answer. The correct answer here is protect. Next one. Blank is a cream or lotion applied to the body to protect it from the sun. So what is the cream that we put on our body called? Is it called aloe vera? Is it called sunscreen or UVB rays? The correct answer is sunscreen. Question. You can wear a blank to shield your eyes and face from the sun. You can wear a sunscreen to shield your eyes, you can use a sun visor, or you can use aloe vera. The correct answer is a sun visor. It will keep the sun out of your eyes and your face. Next question. Blank are harmful to the skin and can cause sunburns. UVB rays, SPF rays, or SPV rays? Correct answer here is UVB rays. Those are what you get when you're outside. Next one. Sunscreen helps blank sunburn by blocking the UVB rays from the sun. Sunscreen helps protect sunburn, prevent sunburn, or prevent sunburn. Correct answer here is prevent. So it stops it from happening. That's what prevents. Next one. The blank tells how long sunscreen will protect your skin from the sun. The SPF, the UVB, or the OWL? The correct answer here is SPF. Next one. If you get a sunburn, blank gel will help soothe and heal your skin. Sunscreen, aloe vera, or UVB rays? The correct answer here is aloe vera. So if you've already been sunburned, then the aloe vera helps make the burn not so bad. Next one. Blank happens from an overexposure to the sun and causes red skin. Sunshine, sunscreen, or sunburn? The correct answer here is sunburn. So a sunburn is what happens when you sit out in the sun and you get too much exposure from the sun. All right, and then the last page in this packet is called Spin and Graph. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a paper clip and put it right here. And then you want to put your pencil right there, and then you can spin the paper clip around and you can graph them. I'm going to go ahead and do it right here. All right, so the first one I got is a sunglasses. So then I'm going to fill in sunglasses. Let me do this one, will be quicker. Okay, and it says to do it 10 times. Spinning again. Sunglasses again. So I'm going to fill in another sunglasses. Okay, number 3, the sun visor. Number 4, ooh, sunglasses again. My spinner likes the sunglasses. Okay, number 5, sunscreen. Spin number 6, sunscreen again. Spin 7, sunglasses. Spin 8, sunscreen. And spin 9, sunglasses. And last one, spin number 10, is the sun visor. Okay, so you can use your own data or by making your own spinner, or you can just use mine. So it says how many sunglasses were there. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're going to do some math. So 5 plus sunscreen, there was 1, 2, 3 sunscreens. 5 plus 3 is, I'll let you solve that by yourself. Okay, next one says sunscreen, which is 1, 3, and sun visor, which is 2. Go ahead and find the sum. Next one is sun visor, 2, plus sunglasses, which is 5. Go ahead and find the sum. Okay, then I want you to make a tally chart of each one. So for sunglasses, we had 5, so we'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, and remember the 5th one crosses. Then you're going to write 5 down here. Sunscreen, we have 3, 1, 2, 3, and yours is going to look different than mine if you chose to do your own spinner. And then the sun visor, we have 2, and don't forget to write the numbers down below. This is what I spun the most of. The one that I spun the most of was the sunglasses. Then the one I spun the least of was the sun visor. All right, that's it for this packet. If you look below, then you can complete the hot dog experiment page, and then there will be an opinion writing sort below that.